Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a nighttime cleaning routine. This is just what I do every night to pick up the house. I'm also excited to let you guys know this is an open collab with Mandy from Mandy in the Making and Jen from Cook, Clean, Repeat. So I will leave the playlist down below so you could check out the other videos in this open collab. If you are new to my channel, make sure you say hi before you leave, and let's get on into the video. So right now, this is where I store all my K-cups at. I'm just refilling it right now. I'm looking for something else. I don't like this system that much. So if you know anything, let me know. Also, this is the new coffee that I have been using. It's the donut cream puff coffee. Y'all know I love my macadamia coffee, but I have tried something new and I actually love it. Right here, I'm just going ahead and getting some dishes done and cleaning out some new cups that I bought from Target today. Like I needed any more cups to add to my massive collection.
Of decisions whirling in my heart, and my vision, a rescission, has never been this hard. I got wasted when I tasted the sweetness of your lips. We're not ready, we're unsteady, I'm stuck inside your grip. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You're keeping us miles apart. You got me down, down, down like a waterfall. You know just how to restrain a heart. The question of obsession has never been this close. And the matter if I'd rather just lock myself indoors. I'm righteous, this virus, no dog or pill can cure. This pattern won't turn it, you got me by the cord. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You're keeping us miles apart. You got me down, down, down like a waterfall. You know just how to restrain.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like cleaning videos. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and don't forget to check out the playlist after you leave so you can get even more nighttime cleaning motivation. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.